Where are you, Tim? Hindi lumabas si Timmy, ah. Huh? Where are you? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Tim? Oh, how are you? Sir is here? Already here? Oh, your daddy is here already? Your mom told me don't give food for Timmy from now on. Don't give Timmy anymore. Sorry, Timmy. I will not give you food. Yes. I will not give you food, Timmy. Sorry, Timmy. You have food already. You're not. You want my massage, Timmy? How are you, Tim? Si Timmy. Oh. Did you miss Mary? Mark! Mark! Timmy! Mark! 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 How are you, Tim? How are you today? Are you okay? Okay. Are you okay? Yes? Are you okay, Timmy? Tuwaran lagi din ko ni Timmy, oy. Okay, Timmy, I need to change my clothes, okay? Okay, Timmy? What you want for me, Timmy? I will not give you food anymore. Your mommy said, message me that I don't give Timmy anymore. Sorry, Timmy. Sorry, Timmy. Ding, 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 ding. I'm so sorry, Timmy. I'm so sorry, Timmy. Okay, wait. I need to change. Too much hot outside now. You hear? Did you hear that I can? Wow, how are you? How are you, Timmy? I miss you, Tim. I miss you, Timmy. Miss you too much. Yes. Did you eat? Did you eat already? Timmy? Okay, wait. Wait, Timmy. Eat already? Yes? You eat already? Meow. How are you, Tim? How are you, Timmy? Huh? How are you? How are you, Tim? Timmy? Meow. You eat already, right? Yes. What? I have so many things to do now. Yes, I have little time only for you. Okay? I have little time only for you, Timmy. Yes. What you want, Timmy? Come here, come here. Miss you, Tim. Come here. Come here. Hi. Meow. Meow, Timmy. Meow. Come here. How's everything? Don't always meow, meow. What happened to your rat? What happened? Nagkagutay-gutay na yung ano niya po. Yung daga niyang maliit. Ginutay-gutay mo na. Ha, Timmy? Timmy. Come here. Come here, Tim. Meow. Hala, siksik. Hala, siksik, Timmy. Siksik. Hala, siksik, Timmy. Hala, siksik. What's that? I want to change my clothes. Yes. Come here. Come here, Tim. Yee, Timmy. Come here, Tim. Yee, Timmy. Oh, Timmy. What happened to you, Tim? Huh? Meow. Meow. Timmy. My loves. Meow. Hello. Miss Mary? You Miss Mary? Bakit mo ako kinagat? Timmy, did you miss Mary, right? Do you miss Mary? Come here. Kagatin mo ulit ako. Nanggigigil ka? Okay, Timmy, I need to change my clothes and I need to start my work. Okay? Oh, gising mo. Baka kagatin mo naman. Buang mo ni Timmy. Nanggigigil. Gusto niyang kagatin ako ay. Pinaplanuhan niya akong kagatin. Oh. Ano? Nanggigigil kasi hindi ako lagi rito. Demi. Nagpahilot ang gagski. Sus, gino ako kasweet ni Timmy, ha? Kasweet ni Timmy, mangangagat. Kinalat mo na naman, inayos ko na, nilagyan na ng maayos na ano. Kinalat sa kanya kinain, pasaway talaga, papansin talaga si Timmy ba. Hindi naman siya ganun pag kumakain. Nasa ano lang. Ngayon, hinalungkat niya tapos nilabas. Saka kinain. Oh my goodness, Timmy. Tingnan mo siya. Hindi naman siya ganyan kumain. Ba't ganyan na siya ngayon? Papansin. Gusto kasi niya maglaro ng maglaro. May gagawin ako eh. O Huwebes pala maraming mga tourist. Maraming nagbubuting. Kaya pala busy. Lokal to. Pag ganyan, mura lang siguro yan. Oh. Yung mga ganyan, mahal. Medyo mahal-mahal. Pero yung malaki, mahal. Yung mga sa 2,000 ang 2 oras. Yung mga maliliit. Ito talaga, oh. Mura lang yan. Pinakamura siguro to. Oh. Ito. Yung mga sumakayan, yan ang pinaka-cheaper yata. Tapos sunod yan. Tapos ito. Hanggang doon lang yan sa dulo. Tapos na sila umikot sa